Hi you guys, welcome back. I'm so excited because today I am coming to you with something I haven't done in a long time and I'm excited to do it, and that is an organization haul. All these boxes you see behind me, I'm going to be unboxing them and sharing with you guys stuff to organize almost everything in your house. If you're looking for a certain organization item, hopefully I have something here that will help you out. I'm so ready to open these boxes because you guys, I love organizing. I love doing organization videos, which you guys see a lot on my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angel and I have a lifestyle channel. I love to have you join, so don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified for when I upload videos. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into opening up these boxes. Most of these items did come from Amazon. If they came somewhere else, I'll be sure to mention that to you, and I will make sure to leave links to everything below in the description box, so make sure to check there. Okay, let's start. So this first little guy that I got is a hanging gift bag organizer. The reason I think this is so great because vertical space is one of the most unused spaces, and you can utilize so much vertical space in your home. And I'm a huge advocate of one, vertical organization, and two, hidden storage. I talk about hidden storage all the time on my social media channels. So, but this little guy is great because, you know, we all have those gift bags sometimes laying around and trying to figure out what to do with them, the gift wrapping paper, all the extra stuff for, you know, wrapping gifts. But this little guy doesn't take up a lot of space in your closet. You can put all of your stuff for wrapping gifts in this and tuck it away in a closet somewhere and keep it out the way. So I think this is a really cool organizer. Definitely is worth checking out. I will open this up. Now I have my handy ceramic blade. This has been a game changer for me, you guys. If y'all don't know what this is a ceramic box cutter with a ceramic blade. So one, it's safer to the tip. I do have a toddler and it's auto retractable, so it opens, closes once you let go. They have a manual too, but I like the auto retract. And then also the ceramic blade lasts so much longer than steel blades. And not only is it safer, but it lasts a lot longer. So I'll leave this link too because this has been a game changer for me and it's just a must-have to have in your home, okay? Especially when you get in all these boxes and stuff. Okay, let me open this. Opening up this is how it hangs. It is super long, you guys. It has so many areas. So this is a big, large zipper area. It's really big. So it's for those really big gift bags. Then you have a little space here. And then on this side, you have so many. Look at here. You can put your tall wrapping paper like in this one. It has little zippers, so like bows and ribbons you can put in these little zipper storage spaces. It has a lot, you guys. And even over here, you can put some more gift wrapping, the tall ones over here. It has a lot, and it has one up here. This is so amazing. This is not only great for organizing and putting all of your gift wrapping stuff together, but again, it's all vertical storage. It won't take up a lot of space in your home. You can just stuck it away in a storage closet somewhere and keep everything together. So highly recommend looking into that. Another thing I came across, and I think is so cool, is this stackable caddy, you guys. Looky here. When you want one, you just unstack it and then you can put it back. So I think for me, this would be great, and I'm probably gonna use it for my bathroom. And one, I'll probably put like a lot of my oils and essential oils and stuff. And then in the other one, I'm gonna put, I think, a lot of my hair care stuff. Because if you guys, let me show you something else that's really cool. Not only is this stackable, but look at here. So it has a detachable piece here. It also comes with 3M tape, so you can hang up if you want to hang up somewhere. But this little piece is detachable, so you can put it in if you want to make extra space right here. See that? If you want that extra space, or if you need the whole long area, you can remove it. So I'll probably be putting like my brushes and stuff over here, and then some other hair items and pins on this side. This is really cool, and it's a space saver because it utilizes vertical storage. So super handy to have, and you can use it in your kitchen, anywhere around your home for anything that you need extra storage for. And I love the little organized bins in it. So this, you guys, are pack of 4 Tupperware bins, and they come with tops. So this is really cool because you can use this for so many things around your home. In your refrigerator, you can store like meats and stuff, or, you know, different items in here. It has this little pull lever on here, so you can just pull it out when needed. You can put it in a cabinet. it's just really cool, and it comes with the top. So some of them are open, but I was specifically looking for the closed top because I think they're just more versatile because you can stack them. You know, when you put the top on them, you can stack them on top of each other and utilize, again, more vertical storage. So I'm gonna be using these around my home, probably in the fridge, probably as a storage container for like some old bottles, and put the top on them and tuck them and store them away, you know, for the future potentially. These are super great, pack of 4, and I'm gonna be coming back throughout in the next couple weeks and months doing some organization video utilizing all these items and show you guys how I put them to use. So stay tuned. Ooh, so this is a clear little tray. You see it? So this is, you can use for your nail polish. Creates like a little tower. So this is really cool. You can use it on your vanity area. I'm gonna potentially put it in a drawer and showcase all my nail polish in here. But it is super cool and helps you to organize all of your nail care. So this is a big pack of bins. This is in the color like mocha or brown. It comes with all of these, you guys. So lots and lots of storage bins. So let me see if I can open one up. It's a lot. Wow, this is a lot, you guys. This is the color mocha. And I was looking for color, almost the color of our wood cabinets, because a lot of cabinets are wood. So I was like, let's try this out, because we always do clear. I want to try something different and show you guys something different. So this is the brown color. The cool thing about these storage bins is they have the stoppers on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about them moving. And that's very rare because, you know, a lot of these drawer organizers don't have those, but that helps so much. You don't have to worry about them moving around. And these are also stackable. They do stack on top of each other. If you want to do some stacking in your drawer, you can do that as well. But these come with a lot. Let me count how many comes with them. And they're different sizes. This is a long one, this is a shorter one, and it has those, it has these, the square ones. Also come with the long rectangle. So lots and lots of sizes to choose from, and you can of course organize these to fit your drawer however you see fit, because it's so many. Let me count them. Oh, it's about 13 pieces. So yeah, you can use it for one drawer or multiple drawers because there's so many in here, and I think these are so cute. So I'll probably be doing my makeup drawer with these, so stay tuned for that. So this, you guys, is egg storage. But what's so cool about this one is I like that it's in frosted white and it's not clear, and then it's also pull out. Look at there, it pulls out and you can put all your eggs in it. So I like this one better than a lot of the other ones because one is 2-tiered, so it can store a lot of eggs, and it's really large, because some of the other ones are really like narrow and small, but we always keep a lot of eggs, so I think this is going to be super helpful having in the refrigerator. And then we can also see like when we're running low because it is frosted. And then it's also flat up here, so you can still store some more stuff on top of this if you want, or if you want to stack another one on top of it, you can do that as well. So I think this is just a great use of refrigerator storage. So this little guy is a makeup brush holder, and it's really cute. This one's in the color marble, and then inside of it, it's like this rose gold, but it's lined with this like PVC so that your makeup brushes don't get it dirty. It's easy to like wipe out and keep clean because of that. So this bends down, which is really cool, and it has little spaces you can put your makeup brushes if you want to stick them in there. The little holders on the side, you can stick them in if you want them to stay in place, or you can stick them in a pile, however you want to do it. And you can keep your brushes on your sink or cabinet, and then or under your sink. Mine's, I think this one's going to go under the cabinet, but still you can push your brushes in here, and then when you're ready to travel, guess what? You just close and zip it up, and you can actually travel with it. So no worrying about packing up brushes and all that. This is really cool, very handy, I think, and efficient to have. And then I'll show you, because I got these brushes to share with you too, so that we can look at how this works. So this is a big pack of makeup brushes, and they're very inexpensive on Amazon, you guys. I will link them, and they're really pretty. Look at that. They're really pretty. And it's a large set of brushes. Look at all of these brushes. It's a lot of brushes in here. But the cool thing is, I got them wanted to show them how they look in here. So you can stick the brush inside of, there it is, inside of the loop there, and it stands up. And then again, you can sit your brushes out like this on your counter, and then when you're ready to use them, you can use them, or when you're ready to travel, you can close it up and zip it up and go. And you don't have to worry about, again, getting this dirty because you can just easily wipe it out. So really cool gadget, really cool organization item. Another really cool item is this 2-tier turntable. The cool thing about this is it has these clear bins you can tote around. They're portable, and this is adjustable. The stand here is adjustable, which is really cool. And again, it spins, so when you need to access something, you can easily grab it and go. Now, this will be great anywhere, in an office, in a kids area, in under a kitchen cabinet, in a bathroom. I think I'm gonna use mine in my bathroom under the sink, and in my top part, I'm gonna put like things I use on my face all the time, and so I can just grab it and pull everything out, use it on my face, and then I can just put it all back. And I love that it has these storage spaces on there, so that helps to keep your counters clear, you know. These are the little clear bins I was talking about, and they come off, and you can use them and tote them around and then put them back. So I'm gonna probably put like a lot of my facial care and skincare stuff in it, so when I'm getting ready in the morning, I can just take it out, use everything, and then I can just put everything back in this bin and stick it back. So that way I can help keep my counters clear. So this is another clear frosted container storage bin, but what makes this one different is that even though it's a bin with the handle just like the last one, it has these little containers in it, so you can make 3 sections in it. So it goes in just like that, and you can make how many ever sections you want. So this is really cool because this is one section. You can take it out, you can take this one out, and you can make how many ever sections you need. So yeah, I think this would be great for anything you want to keep separated, like fruits and vegetables. You can put a different fruit or vegetable in each one of these, whatever you want. I think this is a really good refrigerator container though, and especially with the handle, you can pull it out and go. It also has a top if you want to use the top with it too. You don't have to just use this for the fridge though, you can use it for anything around your house. But this one is really cool because it has these sections inside of it, so it's really cool and handy to have around your home for organizing. So this, guys, I was waiting on. This is so cute. So this is a bamboo organizer, but it's in the color of gray. I know we see a lot of regular natural color bamboo organizers, but I came across this one. I thought this was a really great one to review and share with you guys. Now I'm gonna open this up. This one is not a normal one. This one has some really cool features in it. Okay, this is weird, but it smells good. It smells like it's freshly painted. You know how you get something new or walk into a new home that's freshly painted? That's how it smells. It actually smells good to me. So I see that it comes with these little 3M things to put on the bottom to keep them from sliding, which is good because a lot of the bamboo organizers for drawers do not come with these. So that's great. So to help the stoppers to keep them from sliding. So this one is really cool because it has so many areas in it, and then it's also expandable. So can you guys see? It has so many different areas. It has these areas here, and then these 2 up here, and then I also have the 2 long ones, and a lot of the other organizers don't have the long ones. That's why when I came across this one, I was like, okay, this is a must-have, and it's really cool. And it has these diagonal ones too. So, and if your drawer is not large enough, you can close these in, and you know, if you have a smaller drawer. But if you have a large one, you can open these up. So I think this was a great use of space. It's also a different color, you know, if you want to be different, if you want something that they have different colors, gray, white, I think natural, and some other ones. But I just think this is a really modern, cool organization bin to have in your drawer. Also, I like that brand too because I have their bath caddy, and I've had it for a long time, and I've talked about that caddy before. It's one of the best bath caddies in my opinion, and I've went through a few of them because I'm a bath girl, take a bath every night. So, but I really like that brand. I haven't had any issues with their product. And then another item that's also by the same brand that's really good for organizing drawers are these These are organization drawer dividers, and they come in a variety of colors. This is a pack of 4 and that same color of gray, so I will likely be putting this in the drawer next to that silverware drawer, so they both kind of, you know, look cohesive. Okay, so here they are, and it's a pack of 4, you guys. It does come with a pack of 4, and these are very, ooh, that pressure is strong, y'all. Look at that. Pressure is really strong, so that's good. So they are adjustable. You can put them in any of your drawers to do your dividing with. Your kitchen, your bedroom, any type of drawer you have and you need to get organized. It's a really strong spring. That's great. That means it won't be moving, and you just put your pads on it. And so yeah, this is a really cool item to have in your home and help you organize any drawer that you have. And again, they come in a variety of colors, so if you want to be a little different and take, you know, a few chances out there, try something different, add it to your home, whatever floats your boat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'm going to be organizing a lot throughout my home in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe if you have not. Don't forget to also follow me on Amazon. I do live streams on Amazon weekly, so follow me there. I'll leave a link below to everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video.